место. По 16 устали целоваться. Ты взяла мою футболку, в этом нету толку. Это я дурак, ошибался. Зачем я так влюблялся? Одесса, помню наше место.
Welcome to Motor Means. Today we're staring down one of the most important electric sedans on the road, the Tesla Model 3. It's slick, kind of addictive, and still changing how a lot of people think about daily driving. Stick around. I promise a price reveal at the end that'll matter. What we'll cover: exterior, interior, powertrain and performance, ride and tech, top speed, price, and whether it's worth your money. Exterior. The Model 3 looks minimal, but it's purposeful. From the front, it's low and wide. The refreshed nose is smoother. The roofline flows into a coupe-like rear, and the glass roof gives this cabin-ahead feel. The three-quarter view shows sculpted hips and tight wheel arches. 18 to 19-inch wheel options change the stance noticeably. It's not flashy, but it's confident, like a quiet kid in the room who actually runs the place. Interior. Step in and it's clean to the point of obsession. Big 15.4-inch center screen dominates everything. No instrument clutter. Materials are improved over older Teslas. Softer padding, better trim, quieter cabin. Tesla added acoustic glass. Seats are supportive, but on base trims, some adjustments are manual. Feels fine for daily driving, but maybe less luxe on long trips. Storage is smart, front trunk plus decent rear, and the minimalist dash makes the cabin feel bigger. Sit down, close the door, you notice the silence. Engine, powertrain, and performance. Okay, the important bits. Model 3 comes in multiple trims. The newer standard, RWD, uses a single rear motor, reported around 286 horsepower. Single motor figures vary by source, with about 321 miles of range on the standard in certain wheel configs. Long-range dual motor AWD pushes the range higher, and the performance twin motor goes ballistic, claimed 0 to 60 in the high 2s to low 4s depending on trim. Battery pack figures reported in tests range near 70 to 80 kilowatt hours depending on trim. If a spec looks different in your market, that's because Tesla adjusts packs and numbers often. I've marked confirmed sources below. Tires and suspension. Standard wheels ride a bit softer. 19 or 20-inch feel firmer, and firmer wheels bite into bumps. Suspension is independent. Handling is snappy for an EV sedan. Precise steering, flat cornering, but don't expect old-school feedback. Headlights and dashboard. Full LED headlights, crisp DRLs, and a neat rear light signature. Dashboard. Single giant touchscreen controls almost everything. Intuitive once you get used to it, but there's a small learning curve. Voice controls help, but some drivers miss physical buttons for quick adjustments. Top speed. Performance trims claim top speeds around 160 to 162 miles per hour, but range and top speed will vary by trim and wheel package. If you see slightly different numbers elsewhere, that's normal. Tesla updates specs. Price. Current U.S. pricing from Tesla's configurator, standard RWD, approximately $38,630. Premium RWD, $44,130. Premium AWD, $49,130. Performance, $56,630. Features and availability change fast, so use these as a baseline. If you're enjoying this breakdown, hit like and subscribe. It really helps Motor Means. Which trim would you pick? Performance or range? Tell me below. Overall verdict, is it worth it? Who it's for? Shoppers who want a high-tech, efficient, quick daily driver that's cheap to run and simple to live with. Pros, great range for the class, strong charging ecosystem, sharp tech. Cons: minimal physical controls, mixed build quality notes on some trims, and driving feel can be a touch artificial. Final take: buy if you value tech and convenience. Wait or test drive if you need tactile driving feedback or ultra-luxurious fit and finish. It's not just a car, it's a daily electric habit. If that sounds good, the Model 3 earns a hard look. Like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe to Motor Means for more reviews.
Каждый раз я вспоминаю детство, помню наше место. По 16 устали целоваться, ты взяла мою футболку. В этом нету толку, это я дурак, ошибался. Зачем я так влюблялся? Детство, помню наше место.